Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to continue pulling the engine out of ProjectEJ6, so let's get started. Alright, this is where we left off last video. We got the header removed, we got all the accessories removed, everything drained, we got the fuse box removed, the battery removed, because we are going to be painting and saving the bay, so we're just getting everything we can out of here as we go. Last video left off here, got the axle nut off since then, got the zip linkage disconnected. So today we are going to work on getting all the suspension out because we don't need it, get the axles out, and then get the motor dropped.
I've been waiting, always contemplating, terrified of who I'll be. Oh, the future makes me nervous, heavy on my shoulders. I couldn't fake it all. Is it a bad sign on a cold night and I'm running low? Catch it before it goes. As the days pass and I fall apart, I'll never know. Take all the moment, step into your dreams. Time is short, and it moves and then you wait for it. Take all the moment, you're doing what you feel.
Alright, quick update. We got the driver's side suspension out and the axle. It's right over here. The complete assembly, and then the Maxpeedingrods T6 Coilovers. They will be up for sale locally here in Florida. Probably not shipped because it'll cost too much unless you guys want to spend the money for that. But now we're just going to come over here on the driver's side, get this all taken out. I won't film that. And then we will be pulling the engine, or lowering the engine down. Alright, got the passenger side suspension out. Just loosened up the back engine mount, transmission mount. So all we have holding this bad boy in is the one bolt here on this engine mount and the two right here. This thing's ready to come out.
Feeling like I'm burning out. Running from my presence. I'm sitting on all this doubt. When I wake up in the morning, high and then I'm falling down. I couldn't fake it all. Is it a bad sign on a cold night and I'm running low? Catch it before it goes. As the days pass and I fall apart, will I ever know? Take on the moment, step into your dreams. Time is short, but then it moves and then you wait for it. Take on the moment, you're doing what you feel. But don't you waste your time, it's all.
Alright guys, as you saw, we got the engine out of ProjectEJ6. I'm so excited. First engine pull, and I did it. It's amazing. He went inside just a second ago. But we got the D series out, sitting right here. Fell off the cart there. You know, I should have had two of these carts, but got all the suspension parts, the engine out. You know, things coming together. Probably next, take the subframe out, and then start taking all this stuff out here, the engine bay. This is great. I was going to take today off because it's my only day off. Sunday. I've been working like 3 weeks straight. This is going to be, if I worked today, it would have been 4 weeks straight. But I said, F it, you know, we got to get this done. Progress is progress, any progress. And we did it, guys. We got the engine out. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Progress is progress. Remember that. Just get out there and work on your project car. Work on whatever you're working on in life. Just get anything done you can. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Comment anything down below. Until next time, peace out. I was going to do the honors and take the last few bolts out, so let's get this out. Because we had it going the wrong way. We had it tightening. This is a blue.